So, you know, the food has to go with some accompaniment. Quick fries right here. We have thyme, parsley, garlic powder,
Paprika in there.
paprika. We got some oregano, parsley,
We got
salt,
some mustard in there, right?
pepper, mustard, and oil.
We're gonna have a good time.
So these are fries. You cut them by yourself in the house, and you mix them up, and then you put them in the oven, not the fridge. Please don't talk like me. Oh yes.
Oh man, look at this bad
So
boy.
these are gonna be baked. They're not going to be deep fried because,
Yeah.
well, we all know the issue about the oil.
Yeah. They say cholesterol this, cholesterol that.
So, let's save ourselves the trouble.
Yeah. Dang, look at those things, man. Look at this. It's too big, man. Whew, look at that. Look at that. Goodness. Oh my goodness. This is nice.
The beauty about Washington is you find wonderful potatoes.
Oh yeah, because it's just next to Idaho, you know that, right?
Yeah, Idaho
Oh,
are our
then they,
neighbors.
they grow a lot of potatoes. Oh, man.
Here we go. Here's the fries.